Hey, what's up? Okay, let's talk about Lincoln Penny, Lincoln Shield Penny. Do you have it? Penny to look for the year 2013. Let's talk about 2013 Penny. More information about 2013 Lincoln Shield Penny. Okay, let's read the information. Information I got. Okay, here we go. Year 2013, mint mark G, coin shield penny, type Lincoln penny, price 1 cent to $25 plus, base value 0.01 US dollar, produce 3,319,600,000 pieces, age smooth. Year 2013, mint mark, no mint mark. Coin, shield penny, type, Lincoln penny. Price, 1 cent to $20 plus. Base value, 0.01 US dollar. Produce, 3,750,400,000 pieces. Edge, smooth. Year 2013, mint mark S, coin, shield penny, type, Lincoln penny, price, 1 cent to $25 plus, base value 0.01 US dollar, produce 1,274,000 pieces, edge, smooth. However, an uncirculated 2013 penny without a mint mark that looks like it was just minted yesterday is generally worth 10 to 30 cents. The most valuable 2013 penny with no mint mark was graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold in 2018 for $576. There are some 2013 pennies worth even more than that. Example, the most valuable 2013 penny was graded MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and fetched a whopping $2,750 at a 2019 auction. Of course, as it goes with many 2013 pennies, some are worth more than others. And this is true for the 2013 S-Proof penny. The most valuable 2013 S-Proof Lincoln cent was graded PR70 decom by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $291 in a 2019 auction. There are no valuable 2013 double die pennies worth thousands of dollars known to exist. However, there are some with more obscure doubling on part of the design. Look for doubling in Lincoln's eye, his coat, his tie, or the lettering on the coin. These are worth anywhere from $25 to $50. For example, if the strike is 10% or more up center, then your 2013 up center penny can be worth anywhere from $5 to $10. The most valuable kind of 2013 up center penny is missing about 50% of its design, yet still shows a complete date and mint mark. If applicable, such an up center penny is worth $50 to $100. 2013 Buy Penny Error. While the errors listed above could happen to any coin, there's one type of error that is unique to Lincoln cents, the buy error variety. The buy error refers to a small vertical die crack that appears between the letters B and E of Liberty and looks like a little capital letter I. A 2013 buy our penny can be worth $5 to $15 and is highly collectible. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe. And have a great day.